So I just wanted to do like a little Q&A, I guess, of all the questions that I keep seeing in the comments. So I just wanted to address a couple of those questions. So as far as certifications for being a medical courier, it's not mandatory to have these certifications, but I personally got them just because I kept seeing people say, you know, it'll make your application look more attractive when you are applying for medical courier gigs. So the first one that I got was my HIPAA certification and then my bloodborne pathogen certification. The course took me the courses took me maybe like 2 hours, like an hour per course. It wasn't long at all. I will link or put the link in the comments of how I got where I got my certifications, and it was $45, I believe, for like both, because it was like some type of like special they were running on this specific site. So I'm not sure if it's still $45 now, but that's how much I paid to get both of those certifications, and it literally just took me like a couple hours. So that's the first question that I wanted to address. I also wanted to address insurance. Being that I drive my own vehicle, I have just regular car insurance through State Farm. Now, if you have a cargo van, a truck, like those type of vehicles, that might require you to have a different type of insurance. But for me, I just have my regular car insurance through State Farm. Another question that I kept seeing was, what exactly like are the requirements? So for me, what I saw the most is literally clean driving record and a valid driver's license, and of course like some type of car insurance. And I also was seeing like a lot of questions about what type of car do I have. I stated this in like multiple videos, but I'll just say it again. I have a Tesla Model 3 and the year is 2025. As far as the company that I'm working for now, I'm gonna be honest, this, or at least who I work for, it's really more beneficial for people that have a open schedule, like people that can work throughout the day at any time, especially like in the mornings. They really need like a lot of drivers for that time frame. I am doing this part-time, so I'm doing this after I get off work and on the weekends. So I will say like my opportunities have been a little limited, just because majority of the time when they need drivers, it's during the day. So if you're a person that is free during the day, go ahead and apply. Also, if you need the link to who I got my contract through, just message me in the comments and I'll go ahead and send that link over through DM. And also, I'm working on a list of different like companies to apply through, and I'm gonna be releasing that list soon, so be on the lookout. Give me a follow so you guys can see the list when I drop it. And it is taking me a while to get the list together, just because I want to actually like apply on each of these websites to, you know, give you guys just like a little insight on the process for applying and like how long it took for them to get back to me, things like that, before I just go and promote these people to you guys. I just want to see what their application process is like. So yeah, give me a follow so you guys can see that list when I drop it. And also just put in the comments any questions that you have about being a medical courier, so I can do a part 2 to this and just answer any more questions that you guys have. But again, just to recap, clean driving record, valid driver's license, valid car insurance. If you want to get certifications just to make your application look more attractive, bloodborne pathogen certification and a HIPAA certification. Those are like the main requirements that I see. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Please comment any other questions that you may have for me.